there everybody, new day, new story to tell. Today I just had finished my opening shift. So yes, because I am here now at the mall, Metropolis Mall, Larnaca Cyprus. I will be going in Alpha Mega to buy something. So they have here the Alpha Mega supermarket inside the mall. Yes. It's not so busy today on TGI Fridays, and yes, I'm looking forward to eat something, so I need to buy some fish, I think. So yes, I'm still okay with my opening shift. So now we will be meeting also with my partner. Hopefully he will arrive not that late, because I want us to have a long time to spend with each other. So it's kind of a limited time as always we had, and hopefully this Friday we have lots of time to spend with each other. So yes, I am here now in Alpha Mega. This basket. So I will update you soon. That's it for today. Bye.